could you please make a video about how EA is pronounced? And I think I might make a separate video for this. We'll see, because this is definitely a fun one. There seems to be about 4 different ways that we pronounce EA. The words meat, cheap, and heel all have EA, right? And we're hearing the sound E, meal, cheap, heel. So one of the pronunciations would be a long E sound. We also have words like bread, health, death. They are also spelled with EA. But what sound am I making? It's a short E. Health, bread, death. So we've got 2 pronunciations so far. Long E, short Short E, right? Here's where it gets fun. We've got words like area, cereal, idea. Let's focus on area and idea first, because both of those are clearly the same sound. It's ia. So you've got the long E followed by ya, like Y-U-H, ya. Ia, idea, area. That's our 3rd pronunciation. And you could argue that cereal also has the ia, cereal, but the part is getting cut off and turned into a schwa sound right before the L. So the L, the dark L, cereal, is influencing cereal. So that one's a little bit different, but you could say that it's bunched in with the ia pronunciation of EA. And then there's one more that I realized, the word really. I'm really, really, really happy that you came over today. I'm really happy. So native speakers would probably say that this is the same as meat and cheap and heel, the long E sound, really. But we don't say really. We don't really say really, do we? We say really, like with a short I sound. I'm really happy to see you. I really want to come over and eat pizza. I really do. So because we tend to pronounce that word with a short I sound, really, rather than really, I would say that is a 4th pronunciation of EA. So those are the pronunciations of EA.